Welcome to our third JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, we want to learn how to show results directly into a HTML paragraph or a HTML tag. We already learned in our previous tutorials how to use document.write using alerts to show our result. Now, most of the times we really might not want to show the result that way. So how do we send the result directly into a paragraph or a tag? For example, we're going to create a paragraph here and we'll just say welcome a person's name. Now we want JavaScript to be able to send and recognize the person's name here and update each time. Now we're going to just learn first of all how to even send out this result. So let's come to our JavaScript section here and go ahead. So what we're going to do is we'll add an ID first for these paragraphs. We'll be able to identify the paragraph. So say ID should be equals to let's say PE. Yeah, you use whatever you want to use to identify that paragraph. And now we're going to say document dot get the elements by ID. Get elements. Good. And the element we want to get on the document is EE. There we go. Now note the next part. We're going to say get the document by ID dot inner HTML. Good. Now we'll say that inner HTML should be equals to, let's say, me. Yeah, and that does it. So this is going to update and show update this paragraph. But now since we know it runs from top to down, we have to take this down, cut it and paste it down here. So we'll expect by the time we run this, we're expecting to see me instead of welcome. So let's test that in Firefox. Right, so we see it's showing us me instead of welcome. Now let's actually really update this clearly. So we'll see, at least we've gotten the method of updating. Let's do it officially. Alright, now we can say okay, let it update, but it clears the content in here already. It just removes the welcome and show me. So say instead of doing that, let it show the current information. Copy this, paste it here. So to show the current information plus the me, that's what we're expecting. And we still need to cut this down here so that it runs later on. So we'll still run this in Firefox and see if it works. Good. So you say welcome me. That's nice. Now let's now officially take it back and we'll put it in a function and make it display on the click of a button. So what we're going to do now is, instead of here this welcome, we're going to create a bold tag and close that. Now at this ID, we'll take it out of the paragraph and into the bold. There we go. Now our goal is to reserve this welcome here and just show the content in here, the person's name. But now we want the person to type in his name, so we'll quickly create an input tag. Its type should be equals to text. The name should be equals to, let's say, name, and we'll close that. Then we'll still create another input tag where the person press a button, so the type should be equals to submit, well, name should be equals to, let's say, oh, we don't even need a name for this, we just put an on click listener on click. Alright, well, all these need to be in a form with a name, and we'll call that test. Yeah, just note that. Then we'll close this form below here. Nice. Alright, so here the person could type in something and press an on click listener. So create a function, we'll call that cc. You could call that function whatever you want, so that on the click of this function it does this. Alright, and the on click here we'll call that cc. Alright, so we're nearly done. So now we need to be able to get these inputs here, and this form is test and the name is name. So we're going to create a variable and call that name, and we'll store in the document dot test dot name the value. Nice. And here it should show us, it should just replace it with name. There we go. So let's test run this and see if there are any errors. So launch this in Firefox. Give you Firefox a while, and it's loading. Alright, here we go. We didn't give a value for our button. I don't like that submit query, so let's give a value to it and say send, Alright, just quickly refresh that, and here we go. So now let's put in a name and send it. We saw that it worked, but it's running it later on, so we need to take this function out of here and put it below. I think that function needs to be below for it to reserve it. So let's refresh this. Okay, and we'll see. Why does it keep? Alright, I brought out the input submit button outside the form, and let's test that again. I'll launch it this time in Firefox. Okay, so here I'm just going to put in a name, Jesse, and then press send, and it's added. So our code works nicely. Here we go. So the form just holds the input type, then outside that we're submitting that form. So on the click of this button, it runs our code down here, which has replaces using inner HTML to put the new name of the user. So this is how we could successfully add inputs into a paragraph or a HTML tag. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you in the next tutorial.